So you use the same password for everything? Your email? Fluffy123, your bank account? Fluffy123, your online dating profile that you totally don't use anymore? You guessed it, Fluffy123. And honestly, who can blame you? Passwords are annoying. You've got like 42 different accounts and the memory of a baked potato. So naturally, you chose one password to rule them all. Unfortunately, that's also how hackers win. Let's walk through exactly what happens when you reuse a password. Spoiler alert, it ends with you crying, someone in Belarus reading your emails, and your Netflix queue being ruined forever. Number 1, you're not the only one who knows your favorite password. Let's say you signed up for some website in 2014. It seemed innocent enough. Probably something like pizzaloversforum.com. You made an account, chose Fluffy123 as your password, and never thought about it again. Then, plot twist, the site got hacked in 2018. No big deal, right? Wrong. Your email and password combo is now in a giant spreadsheet floating around on the dark web, selling for about $2. That's right. Your whole identity is cheaper than a Starbucks drink. Number 2, credential stuffing, the lazy hacker's favorite hobby. You might think, okay, so they got my Pizza Lovers account. Who cares? Here's the problem. Hackers know people reuse passwords, so they take that leaked email plus password combo and plug it into everything. Your Gmail, your PayPal, your Amazon, your bank. This is called credential stuffing, and it's not some weird Thanksgiving dish. It's an automated attack where bots attempt your password on hundreds of sites just to see which one's open. I'm not important enough to be hacked. Hackers, you're predictable enough to be hacked. Number 3, the domino effect. One account falls, the rest follow. Let's say they break into your email. Great. Now they can reset your other passwords. See your Amazon orders. Yes, even the embarrassing ones. Read your confirmation emails. Log into your accounts using forgot password. Because guess what? If they have access to your email, they can reset your password everywhere. It's like giving a burglar the keys to your house, car, and emotional support Pinterest board. One breach turns into a full-scale identity meltdown. Number 4, now the hacker plays you like a fiddle. Once they're in, hackers don't just steal your stuff. They become you. They might email your friends asking for money. Hey, I'm stuck in Spain. Please send $200. Send phishing links pretending to be you. Order a PlayStation using your saved credit card info. Message your boss pretending you accidentally quit. Worst of all, they'll change your password so you can't even log back in. You'll go from, hey, that's weird, to, why is my bank account empty and my Netflix in Portuguese in under 10 minutes? Number 5, the dark web, where your password lives forever. Let's talk about where these passwords go once leaked. Answer, the dark web. It's like the shady back alley of the internet, except instead of fake Rolexes, it's full of password dumps, credit card numbers, full identity kits, and once your password is out there, it doesn't expire. It circulates. Forever. Like a cursed email chain from 2005. Even if you do change your password later, if you used it anywhere else, the damage is already done. And yes, your smart devices are also at risk. You know what else uses passwords? Smartphones, smart TVs, smart fridges, somehow. If one reused password connects all of it, congratulations. A hacker in Argentina is now watching your Ring camera feed while your Wi-Fi connected toaster mines crypto. In other words, your smart home just became Hacked House Simulator 2025. You might say, but I use special characters so I'm safe, right? Ah yes, the classic defense. I use special characters like Fluffy123 with 2 exclamation marks. That's adorable, but completely useless. Once a password is leaked, it doesn't matter how strong it is. Hackers don't guess your password. They already have it. The strength only matters for brute force attacks. This is copy-paste season. It's like saying my house is really well built after you gave someone the spare key. So what should you actually do? Okay, so you're convinced. You want to fix your life. Here's what to do. Use different passwords for every site. Yes, every site. Yes, even the weird ones, especially the weird ones. Use a password manager. These tools remember your 900 passwords so you don't have to, because you remembering all of them is about as likely as you remembering your 8th grade locker combo. Turn on two-factor authentication. This adds an extra step, like sending a code to your phone, and stops 99% of casual hackers. If you can handle ordering Starbucks through 4 different apps, you can handle 2FA. Stop using your pet's name and birth year. Just stop. Hackers literally write scripts that guess that stuff. If your password is Charlie 2010, they're already inside your digital pantry eating snacks. Using the same password everywhere is like using the same key for your house, car, mailbox, and diary. Then tweeting a photo of it with the caption, "Please don't steal." The internet is a scary place, but you don't need a tinfoil hat. Just don't use Fluffy123 for everything. Or better yet, let a password manager do the thinking so you can go back to doing what you do best, forgetting what you came into the room for. Remember, you don't need to be a genius to stay safe online. Just don't be predictable. And don't name your password after your cat. Cats don't care if you get hacked anyway.